Standard 5th division, question number 2. Divided and verify your answer. Previous video I teach you how to divide it. Now I show you 1, 2, 3 example. Okay, same as it is, but only you divided there 2 to 30 tables. If you divide there, it's made so easy. It's make us so easily. Okay, first one, 25,626 divided by 16. Divided by 16. See here. Dividend number right here. 25,626 divided by 16. Say 16 table. 16 ones are 16, 16 twos are 32, 16 threes are 48, 16 fours are 64, 16 fives are 80, 16 nines are 96, 16 sevens are 100, 12, 16 eights are 121, 16 nines are 144, 16 tens are 160. Now, how do you divide it? See, first one number, how many is there? Only 2. 2 and 16 compare, 16 is the biggest number. So, take first two numbers, 16 ones are 16. Why I write here 16 ones are 16? 16 twos are 32. 25 and 32 compare, which is the big? 32 is big. So, you want here 25's smallest number. So, take there 16 ones are 16. How do you say? That type you write 16 ones are 16. 25 minus 16, 9. 0. Take next one number as it is, 96. Okay, 96. 96 wherein come 16 table, 16 6 are 96. 96 minus 96, 0. Next one number which? 2. 2 write as it is. But 2 is in a 16 table? No. So 16 zeros are 0. Right there. 2. 2 minus 0, 2. 26 right. Again 16 ones are 16, 16 twos are 32. Right here 16 ones are 16. Okay. 0, 1, 0, 0, 0. Now how do you compare? Your answer is correct. Dividend 25,626 is equal to quotient 1601 multiply by 16 plus 10. Multiply by 16 means divisor plus 10 remainder. 16 ones are 16. 1 carry. 16 zeros are 0. 1 add 1. 1. 16 6 are 96. 9 carry. 16 ones are 16. 16 plus 9, 25 plus 10. 25,626. Both sides are same, means your answer is correct. Your answer is correct. Understand? All of you understand now how to do? Now, see here B1. $45,586 divided by 14. 45,586 divided by 14. Right here 14 table. 14 ones are 14, 14 twos are 28, 14 threes are 42, 14 fours are 56, 14 5 are 70, 14 6 are 84, 14 6 7 are 98, 14 8 are 112, 14 9 are 126, 14 10 are 140. Okay, now see there how to do. 45. See, dividend number, take first two numbers. Okay, 14 3s are 42, 14 4s are 56, 56 and 45 compare. 56 is the greatest number, so 14 3s are 42, 3 5 right as it is. 14 2s are 28 minus 28. Okay, 35 minus 28, how many is there? 7. Next one number which? 5 right as it is. 14 5s are 70. Next one number right. 14 4s are 56. Next one right. 14 1s are 14. See here, one mistake I do here. Why? Which mistake? I take this 5 here, this 8 I want here, but whatever I take 5. This is your mistake. Okay, this is my mistake, not your. So 14 3s are 42, 14 2s are 28. Now 14 5s are 70, 8. 14 6s are 84. Understand? Now you check your answer. Dividend is equal to quotient and multiply by divisor plus remainder. 14 6 are 84, 8 carry. 14 5 are 70, 70 plus 8, 78, 7 carry. 14 2s are 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. 3's carry. 14 3s are 42 plus 3, 45 plus 2. Both sides are same. Both sides are same. Understand? All of you understand now? Now C D E F G H I J K L is your homework. See here, divided by 10. 10 means drop there, this one, this is your answer. And here also drop there one line, 2 2s are, here 2000 coming. How to do? See here tens number given, divided by tens number. Tens number means what? You want there, how many zeros there? 1. Drop there 1 0 and divided this number. Okay. Here also drop there 1 number and divided. 2 2s are 4. 2 right, and always 0 0 0. Understand? This is so easy. Next one. Question number 3 also same. I solve there 1 2 example. Question number 3. Divided and verify your answer. First one, 8987 divided by 12. 8987, 12. Say 12 table. 12 ones are 12, 12 twos are 24, 12 threes are 36, 12 fours are 48, 12 fives are 60. See, first two number 89, 12 sevens are 84, 5, 8, 12 fours are 48, 12 eights are 96, okay, 12 6 are 96. Understand? All of you understand now how to do? I don't say anyone, huh? Now you solve. Both sides are same, na? 8987 come here, here also same. You solve there, huh? Question number 3 and 4. Now I teach you words problem. Now I teach you 5.4. 5.4 division words problem. 5.4 division words problem. Okay. Question number 3 also you solve. Question number 4 also you solve. First one, write their solve these words problem with their statement. With their statement. Write in your notebook also. Questions also write. Okay. The cost of 12 beds is rupees 6,300. What is the cost of one bed? What is the cost of one bed? What you do? So many rate given there and you want there only once. First one, 6,300 divided by 12. Divided by 12. Divided by 12. 12 tables same. 12 ones are 12, 12 twos are 24. This is correct now? Now compare their first two numbers. 63 in 12 table? No. So 12 5s are 60. Okay, 12 5s are 60. 12 2s are 24 and 12 5s are 60. What is the price of their bat? 525. Here write first cost of 12 bats 6300 and 1 bats is equal to how many, and write here rupees 525 is the cost of 1 bat. Understand? Now B1. RIM High School collected 94,500 as the school fees for the year from 21 students. How much did each one pay? Each one pay. What you do here? First write the question, then write school collected rupees 94,500 for school fee. For school fee from 21 students. So school fees for one student 94,500 divided by 21. All of you know 21 table. 94,500 divided by 21. 21 fours are, say 21 table 84. 21 fives are 105. Next one 0, right? 0. Next one 0 also write here. 0. Now what is answer is there? So school fees for one student 4,500 rupees. 4,500. C1 also you write 41 shirts cost rupees 21,320 and cost of one shirt is equal to how many? Means 21,320 divided by 41. 320 divided by 41. First three numbers we take here. 41 fives are 205. 41 ones are 41. 41 twos are 82. 41 twos are 82. Next one 0. So cost of one shirt is equal to rupees 520. Understand? D1, 35 cars contain 70,000 35 liter oil. What is capacity of each can? Okay, 35 cans contain. So this question you write first, then write there 35 cans contain 70,000 35 liter oil. Capacity of one can is equal to how many? Means 70,000 35 divided by 35. Now you divided here 70,000 35. 35 to the 70. 0. Take here also 0 because of 3. 3 is not coming in 35 stable. 35. 35. 35 ones are 35. Okay. So right there each one can contain 2001 liter. 2001 liter. Understand all of you? Now here complete the division topic. Completed here division topic. Today's homework page number 87 completed. Today's homework page number 87. All these questions completed. Okay. Thank you. And behind the tables, don't use the Uncle P.